my pretty little fingers on 2 new foundation formulas from Black Opal, and they are gorgeous. So first things first, I tone the skin using Even True Pore Refining Toner. And as you can see, I love this stuff. My bottle's almost gone. Next, I moisturize with Even True Oil-Free Moisturizing Lotion and follow that with Invisible Oil Blocking Mattifier in the T-zone. All right, you guys, here comes the good stuff. Introducing Mineral Matte Foundation. Now, I love recommending Black Opal's cream stick foundations to my clients, but sometimes they find that it can be a little emollient on their skin depending on their skin type. So if that's a concern for you, I really believe that this particular formula will be your solution. The shade that I'm using is Suede Mocha, and I'm working that from the jawline up. Don't you just love the name of that shade? Suede Mocha. Now, I'm using Rich Caramel to highlight the center of the face. Next, I'm going to use my Beauty Blender to blend my highlight into the all over foundation color. And once that's all blended, I'm going to take my Pore Perfecting Powder Foundation in Ebony Brown and work that around the perimeter of my model's face. As you can see, she naturally has lots of warmth around her hairline, so really, I'm just giving her what's naturally there. So, I'm a cream girl. I love working with cream foundations, but in the comments, tell me if you prefer creams or liquids. I'm really curious to see what everyone's using out there. Now that my foundation, highlight, and contour is laid, I'm ready to set my work, and I really want to set this well so her makeup stays bulletproof from day to night. Man, doesn't her skin look airbrushed? I am obsessed with this foundation. It's such a beautiful formula. So I'm going to set the rest of the face with just a bit of translucent powder, and then I'll hit the perimeter with a bit of bronzer. Now comes brows. Here's a pro tip. Use your contour powder in your crease and it'll serve as a beautiful transition color. I'm encircling her eyes with this shade to give her natural depth and dimension. And I'm following that with a bronzy cream eyeshadow. Now grab your favorite smudgy black liner and line your upper lid and bottom waterline. It's a lash time! I'm using Red Cherry's 523s and what's that? You said you want to stack the lashes? We're gonna double the drama by adding on a pair of Ardell Wispies. Off camera, I line the model's lips with a deep burgundy lip liner, and I'm topping that with Black Opal Luxe Cream Lipstick in Black Currant. And I'm adding one final hint of drama to the eyes with Black Opal Boldacious Length Mascara. So here it is, you guys. Here's the finished look.